For the contract, once you download it, anytime that you see something that says insert your business name or these brackets, it's indicative that that is something for you to go modify or edit according to your business name. If you don't have a registered business wherever you're physically located, then go ahead and replace that with your name or your name and the word services, just depending on how you are currently marketing yourself. This underlined section here should be the date. That's the start date. This underlined section here is the name of the individual who you will be working with. My recommendation is you could use something as simple as PandaDoc or DocuSign. It just depends on your personal preference. Then right here, the engagement date. This is the actual date that you will begin working together. You need to make sure that, again, you see these brackets, you must add specifically what the client or whoever it is that you're servicing explicitly in black and white, what are they receiving, and so forth. Not to forget start and end date if there is a specified duration of time, and this phrase with these words, whichever ends first. And then if there are any stipulations on behalf of the client, whatever that looks like, please update and modify those things that are relevant for you specifically in the way that you deliver your services or provide the outcome. Services section, again, you'll notice several components that have the brackets here where it says your business name. Make sure that anything that is not relevant to you, that you remove that. Fees and expenses. If you do have a refund policy or some sort of guarantees, definitely I would advocate very strongly that you would update that. If you're doing arbitration, make sure that you update that as well. If you have a policy around chargebacks or disputes, update that as well. Wherever you're located, make sure that you update the governing law. So for example, here, you would want to update that. Name of your company, a space for you to have a signature. Name of your client, space for the client to have a signature and for it to be dated. So, in a nutshell, that is your agreement. This is not to be misconstrued as legal advice. I am not a lawyer. So, with that said, I strongly urge that you would contact or outreach to a lawyer where you are currently located, wherever it is that your business is based out of specifically, and ensure that everything is going to match to the letter of the law and is indeed enforceable, and you're not putting yourself into a negative situation.